it's Ari from Ari's Tech Channel, and today we will be beginning a series of learning Python. It's a coding language. So basically we're going to start off the series by downloading Python, then we'll look at the basics, then we'll look at loops, then we'll look at functions, and then once that we can import stuff, and I'll teach you Turtle, and then that'll be it. Okay, so first of all, let's install Python. So, you'll first click on download Python 3.10.7 or whatever version it is, and click on it. Now, I've already installed Python, so I'm going to click continue, agree, install, type in my password. This is going to be for Mac. It's installing Python on Mac. You're going to have to watch a different tutorial if you want to see installing Python on Windows. I will do that tutorial eventually. Okay, so it should say congratulations, Python 3.10.7 for macOS 10.9 or later was successfully installed. Next, click close, move to bin, and you can go ahead and empty bin. Alright, these are going to be very useful for next video, but first we have to install pip. So, what you want to do, so you want to select your operating system, so Windows, Mac, or Linux. Select, copy this, and that's Windows and that, everything. Alright, so now open Terminal. We learned this in our second video, where if you press Command and Space and type in Terminal, you can open it. And then, if you want to do this on Windows, you want to click on the search bar down below and type in CMD and click Enter. Then you want to paste this command in there, and you want to go back. For Windows, I don't know if you have to do this, but you might. So then type in 3 after Python and press Enter, and wait for it. Okay, I've already installed pip, so it says requirement already satisfied. It might ask for something like, do you want to proceed, and press Y and equal and enter. And then you want to click clear. And there you go, you've installed pip and Python. And now let's install, let me just show you how to use pip. Type in pip3 install turtle, let's say. Now, if it does this, then that's fine. It's probably an error with Turtle because you don't actually have to install Turtle. But yeah, that's it. You've installed everything, and I'll see you in the next video.